Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change avatar in Knives Out. To change your avatar in Knives Out, first of all, open up the Knives Out application on your mobile device and log in. From the main homepage of Knives Out or the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Click on your avatar once again in the pop-up and then click on Change Avatar Now. Go ahead and look for other avatars, tap on the Get More button and choose the avatar you'd like to purchase or use. You can also go ahead and upload your own picture by tapping on Album Selection at the top. Now you'll then be able to take yourself to the camera roll from where you can choose your avatar and tap on Confirm. And just like that, you will be able to change your avatar on Knives Out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.